The last to stop gaming challenge. Oh my god, come here!
Guys, this game's like a workout.
I can hear you, you little
I'm gonna steal some food and go pop.
I'm doing a lot of gaming. I've pretty much just been waking up, gaming all day, going to sleep, and then doing the same thing the next day. So that got me gaming challenge for without having to stop. Today we are gonna find out. Oh wait, yes. Time it is.
Is it?
No, it's challenge time.
Oh no.
The three of us are gonna be doing the last to stop.
Morgan, the only game I know is Pac.
You all know what a loser you are. All you do all day is play your video games.
So if we win, what's in it for us?
$20.
I'm in.
Me too.
The three of us are gonna have 30 minutes to prepare. We will need to pick a room, pick some consoles, and get whatever other snacks and supplies you may need. Hey, what are you doing?
Out.
Well, guys, time start now!
What? Now?
Now!
We could be doing this days, weeks. So I'm gonna get stocked up on all of my favorite